Have you ever wondered what keeps you from collapsing into a puddle of soft jelly? The answer lies in your skeletal system, an architectural masterpiece hidden deep beneath your skin. Much like the steel frame of a house, your bones provide the essential structure needed. This structure allows you to stand, run, and interact with the world around you daily. While you might think of bones as dry, static sticks, they are actually living organs. These dynamic tissues perform incredible feats of engineering and biology every single day of life. From protecting your vital organs like a suit of armor, they serve a critical purpose. They also act as a high-tech system of levers for movement in your daily life. Your skeleton is constantly working, even when you are resting or sleeping in your bed. You were born with around 300 bones, a complex arrangement of small, fragile parts. As you grow, many of these bones fuse together through a fascinating process called ossification. Today, we explore how this internal framework supports your life in many different ways. It stores vital minerals like calcium, which are essential for your long-term health and growth. It even acts as a busy factory to produce your very blood inside the marrow. Consider the skull, a rigid helmet designed to shield your brain from any external impact. Consider the rib cage, a flexible cage that expands and contracts with every single deep breath. These bones are not merely inert objects, but active participants in your body's complex chemistry. They respond to the stresses you place upon them, becoming stronger with consistent physical activity. Without this internal scaffold, your body would lack the integrity to maintain its upright posture. Every movement you make is a testament to the precision of your skeletal frame design. Your bones are constantly remodeling themselves to adapt to the changing demands of your life. This process ensures that your frame remains durable enough to withstand the rigors of existence. The marrow deep inside your bones is a hidden engine of life and vital energy. It churns out millions of red blood cells to carry oxygen throughout your entire body. This constant production is what sustains your vitality and keeps your organs functioning quite well. Your skeleton is a masterpiece of evolution, refined over millions of years of human history. It balances the need for rigid protection with the requirement for fluid, graceful human motion. Think of the femur, the strongest bone in your body, supporting your weight every day. Think of the tiny bones in your inner ear, vibrating to translate sound into meaning. Each bone has a specific role, contributing to the symphony of your physical human form. The journey from infancy to adulthood involves this remarkable transformation of your skeletal structure's shape. Ossification turns soft cartilage into the hard, resilient bone that defines your adult physical stature. This transition is a silent miracle occurring within you, unseen but absolutely vital for survival. Your skeleton is the silent partner in every action you take, from walking to running. It is the foundation upon which your muscles pull to create movement and physical force. Without this anchor, your muscles would have nothing to leverage against for any physical task. The mineral storage capacity of your bones ensures your blood chemistry remains perfectly balanced always. Calcium is released when needed, maintaining the electrical signals that power your beating human heart. This internal reservoir is a critical safety net for your body's most essential biological functions. As we delve deeper, we see that your skeleton is truly a marvel of biology. It is a living, breathing entity that grows, repairs, and sustains you throughout your life. The architecture of your bones is optimized for both strength and lightness in every section. They are hollow in places to save weight, yet reinforced with struts for maximum durability. This is nature's own version of high-performance engineering, perfected through the trials of natural selection. You are a walking testament to the power of this hidden, internal, structural support system. Every bone is a story of adaptation, a record of the life you have lived. When you jump, your bones absorb the shock, protecting your joints from excessive, damaging impact. When you lift, your bones provide the rigid base for your muscles to exert power. It is a symbiotic relationship between bone, muscle, and nerve that defines your human experience. We often take this structure for granted until we feel the strength of our stride. Yet, it is the most reliable component of your entire physical being, day after day. The secret scaffold inside you is the silent hero of your daily, active, vibrant life. It is the frame that holds your story together, bone by bone, from start-finish. As we continue, remember that your bones are the bedrock of your physical human existence. They are the silent architects of your form, working tirelessly to keep you standing tall. Appreciate the complexity of your frame, for it is a work of art in motion. Your skeleton is a living testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the human body. It supports your dreams, your actions, and your very life, with quiet, unwavering, constant strength. This is the foundation of your vitality, the hidden scaffold that makes you truly you. Let us explore the mechanics of this incredible, living, self-repairing frame in greater detail now. Building upon that foundation, your skeleton functions as a complex machine divided into two distinct systems. The axial and appendicular systems work in perfect harmony to balance the needs of protection and mobility. The axial skeleton, including your skull and spine, acts as a secure vault for your brain. It also serves as a protective cage for your heart, shielding these vital organs from external harm. Meanwhile, the appendicular skeleton provides the reach and power needed for your limbs to navigate space. The true magic of your movement occurs at the joints, where specialized mechanisms allow for complex rotations. Ball and socket and hinge joints enable everything from graceful dance steps to simple, everyday bends and reaches. These intricate connections are held together by sturdy ligaments, ensuring stability while maintaining your fluid range. Because your bones are living tissue, they are constantly repairing and strengthening themselves throughout your entire life. This process is especially active when you provide them with proper nutrition, such as essential calcium. Engaging in regular weight-bearing exercise further stimulates this internal maintenance, keeping your frame dense and resilient. By understanding this secret scaffold, you gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible self-repairing frame within. This architectural wonder sustains your body, proving that your skeleton is the foundation of your vitality. It is a silent, enduring partner that grants you the strength to face each new day. Every movement you make is a testament to the sophisticated engineering hidden beneath your very skin. Your skeleton remains a marvel of biological design, constantly adapting to the demands of your life. It is not merely a static structure, but a dynamic, living entity that grows with you. From the smallest finger bone to the sturdy femur, each part plays a vital, interconnected role. The synergy between your bones and muscles creates the seamless motion that defines your human experience. As you move through the world, remember the silent, tireless work of your internal living scaffold. It is the bedrock of your physical existence, supporting every breath, step, and gesture you make. Cherish this remarkable framework, for it is the vessel that carries you through every life journey. Your bones are the silent heroes, working in the background to ensure your continued health and strength, anchoring your spirit within a frame that is as resilient as it is truly beautiful. This intricate system is a masterpiece of evolution, refined over millions of years of human development. It balances the delicate requirements of rigidity and flexibility with an efficiency that engineers admire deeply. Your spine, a flexible column of vertebrae, supports your upright posture while protecting the delicate spinal cord, which acts as the primary highway for all the signals traveling throughout your nervous system. The appendicular skeleton, comprising your arms and legs, extends from this central axis like powerful levers. These limbs allow you to manipulate your environment, grasp objects, and traverse vast distances with ease. The joints, lubricated by synovial fluid, reduce friction and allow for smooth, pain-free motion every day. Ligaments act as tough, fibrous straps that keep these joints aligned, preventing injury during intense activity. This sophisticated arrangement is a testament to the body's ability to adapt to diverse physical challenges. Your bones are also reservoirs for minerals, releasing them into your bloodstream whenever your body requires. A boost to maintain proper chemical balance, ensuring that your internal environment remains stable and healthy. This constant exchange of minerals highlights the dynamic nature of your bones as living, active organs. They are not just dead weight, but active participants in the complex chemistry of your survival. Through the process of remodeling, old bone is broken down and replaced by fresh, healthy tissue. This cycle ensures that your skeleton remains strong enough to withstand the stresses of daily life. Nutrition plays a critical role in this cycle, providing the raw materials needed for bone density. Calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus are the building blocks that keep your skeleton robust and durable. Without these essential nutrients, your frame would lose its integrity, becoming brittle and prone to fractures. Weight-bearing exercise, such as walking or lifting, sends signals to your bones to grow even stronger. This response, known as Wolff's Law, demonstrates how your body adapts to the forces applied externally. It is a beautiful example of how your lifestyle choices directly impact your long-term physical health. By staying active, you are essentially investing in the longevity and strength of your internal scaffold. The more you challenge your body, the more it responds by reinforcing its own structural integrity. This feedback loop is what allows you to remain mobile and independent well into your later years, maintaining the quality of life that you deserve through consistent care and mindful movement habits. The skeleton is truly the unsung hero of your anatomy, supporting every dream you dare pursue. It provides the stability required for your muscles to exert force and create purposeful, controlled actions. Without this rigid support, your muscles would have nothing to pull against, leaving you entirely immobile. The interplay between bone and muscle is a dance of physics, executed with incredible precision daily. Each joint serves as a pivot point, allowing for the complex geometry of human movement patterns. From the fine motor skills of your hands to the powerful stride of your legs, everything relies on the integrity of your skeletal system to function correctly and without any unnecessary strain. As you reflect on this, consider the immense complexity hidden beneath your skin at this moment. Your skeleton is a living monument to the power of nature, sustaining you through every challenge. It is the foundation of your vitality, a masterpiece of engineering that defines your physical presence. Carry this knowledge with you, and treat your body with the respect that such architecture deserves.